Oh yeah, Kyle Busch. Kyle Busch, Tom Majeski. Last winner, Caden Honeycutt. First time winner in ARCA and in trucks. Went on to win the late model car store races. 0-0 as well. Kyle leads him to green. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go race some more. Green flag at Dover. Come on, Kyle. We can do it. 17 thought he was going to run into his teammate Honeycutt there. Why is his backside so I mean, I know it's concrete. Right. Why is it so fucking dusty down the backside on lap 1 every race? Always dusty as hell. See, why the hell is Jones in the field? Respectfully. Why? And why is Chastain doing triple duty this week? Like, I understand, like, I don't know, it's Charlotte or whatever. Clinton Boyer's struggling, I think. I don't know where he qualified. But his head's wall. Oh, wow. Mini Tyrell's the best Dodge. What the fuck? Brendan Queen's going to finish top 5, so it's okay. Go, Clint. Top 20. Fuck's he at? Watch out from Joey Logano. We don't want to try to flip the thing over. Damn. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. ThorSport sucks. I mean, I know they don't suck because Majeski's low-key carrying the team. But they got, like, no sponsorship. They haven't won in a hot minute. Well. Like a moth to a flame. Natalie Decker got a fucking penalty for being stupid. Oh, we try to kill him, Clint. Hey, Cole Butcher, maybe he'll go a race running good and won't wreck. Because so far, he's ran good and wrecked in every race he's ran good and something's happened to him. Usually he ends up wrecking the thing. But hell yeah, Carson. Wearing my Carson Osvar Red the Dente shirt. Hell yeah.